Hi, welcome to Klinken's Kitchen 2019. Last year I started this channel and I did 47 different videos about local food, skills, cooking skills, and the idea that we wrote with our fork. I believe that we can change the food system by action. All the contents is pretty much what I used to do on other platforms, in newspapers and printed medias. Now I do everything on my own at my iPhone. I record and I edit. If you like the project, please subscribe and support by liking, comments on my contents, and please, if you have any ideas for something that you would like to know, put it on the channel or in the link below. I hope to see you again. My first video this year will be about the traditional Danish kale.